drop top to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1970 Pontiac Catalina convertible. 400 V8 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Headlight bezels. There is a little bit of hitting on the chrome if you get right up on top of it. But it has a nice shine to it. Got a cream exterior, beige interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the top up, top down, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the steel wheels, wheel covers, white wall radial tires. Paint, it shows its age a little bit in areas, a little checking on the hood. This is one of those cars, drive it, enjoy it, have some fun. Get in your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, car shows. Maybe it's putting the top down and going out on a Sunday afternoon. It's like I said, kind of a neutral or stone beige colored interior. Appears that it could be original interior. We do have some separation in the front seat. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a little closer look at that. I'll also put the top up, show you the condition of that and how that works. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. First, let's take a look at the rear of the car. Get a peek at the chrome and the bumper back here. Do that little ding over here in the passenger side. If you like these 70s Pontiacs or maybe Catalinas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one. Said some maintenance coming down the stretch, that it's going to need front sway bar links, rear axle seal and bearing, front brake hoses, left tail light, and right high beam. This car has actually been in the same family since 1986 when the current owner's dad purchased it. Just isn't getting driven a whole lot anymore, and it's time to part with it. They said price it accordingly, make the announcements on it, and it's time for somebody else to enjoy. All right, door panels look pretty good. And then, of course, the vinyl seat. Kind of already mentioned some of the separation there. You get a little closer look at it. Seat belt's intact. Sony AM/FM cassette player has been added. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See power top switch over here. Like I said, we're gonna see how that functions in just a bit. We'll check out the condition of the top. Top of the dash. Looks good. We'll let this warm up just a bit. Let's see if radial powers up. The stereo working fine. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Then we get a 400 V8 underneath the hood. Running pretty quiet. Let's go ahead and slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's take a peek underneath this hood, and then we'll go ahead and check out how this convertible top functions and see the condition of that. Underside of the hood and engine bay. There's the 400. Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. Looks like Edelbrock intake manifold. Again, power brakes, power steering. Let's go ahead and check out this convertible top. Then we'll have Jason take it for a drive. And the convertible top up, so you can see power top functions as it should. Latched up front, nice tight fit above the windshield. So kind of a neutral stone beige colored top. Rolled the side glass up so you can see how that fits. It's pretty good there. We did have a missing little trim piece that holds that down, so it's a little bit loose on that roping. Rear window and passenger side. So I didn't notice any real rips, tears, holes or anything major like that. Rear window a little discolored. Needed to keep you dry or out of the sun. Gonna serve the purpose just fine. Side glass, decent fit over here in the passenger side, and again, nice tight fit above the windshield. I'll show you it functioning and going back into the storage compartment. Jason's going to take it for a drive. It's a 1970 Pontiac Catalina convertible, 400 V8 underneath hood automatic. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you'll see all those still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1970 Pontiac Catalina. This car is a convertible, and we've got the top down today on a brisk morning in Minnesota. Now there currently is a wrap on the steering wheel. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Put it in drive, push your foot to the floor, and have some fun. Good acceleration, as you would expect from a 1970 Pontiac. Sony stereo in the
past
dash.
year has led us to add a sales manager.
Nice clear audio from the factory speaker location. I have not tested cassette, but FM works well. The wipers also function. The blower motor works. I'll admit I have a little bit of heat blowing today on my feet. Speedometer showing 50 miles an hour. That feels about right. Nice comfortable ride from this car. Feels very original to me. Those colors, kind of, what would you call it, a beige, some wood grain, almost a green hue to that if you look at it just right. And an off-white exterior. Very 1970. Brakes are effective and smooth. Power brakes, of course. Power steering. The horn working as it should. Easy to steer with that excellent power steering. Luxurious in the corners. Bench seat in the front, bench seat in the rear. Drives as you would expect. A very healthy 1970 Pontiac Catalina convertible. Find all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.